There is a tiny organ in the center of your brain. Every ancient civilization considered it sacred. Modern science ignores it. And someone has been quietly shutting it down for decades. Remember the old radio analogy from our last episode? The brain is a receiver, not the source. But every receiver needs a tuner, a component that locks onto specific frequencies. In your brain, that tuner is the pineal gland, a tiny pine cone-shaped organ sitting exactly in the geometric center of your brain. The Egyptians called it the Eye of Ra. The Hindus called it the third eye. René Descartes, one of history's greatest philosophers, called it the seat of the soul. Every ancient tradition across every continent pointed to the same organ. Why? Because when it's active, you see differently, not with your eyes, with something deeper. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The pineal gland produces DMT, dimethyltryptamine, the most powerful psychedelic molecule known to science. It's produced naturally in your body during deep sleep, during meditation, possibly at birth and death. Some researchers believe it's the chemical bridge between physical and non-physical reality. Your built-in antenna tuned to frequencies beyond the visible spectrum. So why doesn't anyone talk about this? Because there's a problem. The pineal gland calcifies. By age 17, calcification begins in most people. By adulthood, in many people, it's almost completely shut down. What causes calcification? Fluoride, found in tap water and toothpaste, has been shown in multiple studies to accumulate specifically in the pineal gland. Processed food, artificial additives, environmental toxins, and many researchers point to atmospheric spraying programs, chemtrails, as another potential source of heavy metals that accumulate in brain tissue. Now, is this intentional? I'll let you decide. But consider this. The word government, govern from Latin to control, meant from Latin, the mind, government, control the mind, and politics, poly, many, ticks, blood-sucking parasites, many parasites, coincidence? Maybe. But when your pineal gland is calcified, your consciousness narrows. Your field of perception shrinks. You become reactive, emotional, easy to program. And they know exactly how to keep it that way. Fear, war, crisis, negative news 24 hours a day. Fear generates low-frequency emotions, and low-frequency emotions keep your antenna, your pineal gland, completely offline. There's a reason every major religion was eventually institutionalized. There's a reason ancient knowledge was hidden or destroyed. There's a reason they put fluoride in the water, but not in any other food or drink. A calcified pineal gland cannot see the control system, an activated one can. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. That's what they fear most, not bombs, not protests, awake humans. Because when we wake up, their entire system stops working. So the question isn't, are they controlling us? The question is, are you ready to turn your antenna back on? SeaFlux, Episode 3. How to decalcify your pineal gland, practical steps coming next. Subscribe. Share this with someone who's ready to tune in.